How to convert Facebook account to business page. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to change your Facebook account to business page, you can follow the steps. So open up your Facebook account first in your device. Once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. So from here at the top, you can head over to profile right here and this menu opens up. So go ahead and tap on your profile name. Once you do that, you can tap on the three dot beside the edit profile section and this one opens up. So what you need to do next is go ahead and look at this option that says turn on professional mode. After that, you will be given this. So you can go ahead and tap on this turn on option, and once that is done, you will be getting insights. So you can just go ahead and select up your audience, tap on next, review selections and confirm everything. Once that is done, your monetization tool, you can set it up as well. Tap on next, and from here you can create up insight, creation, growth, create education and support, and create up a profile theme and everything. For now, I'm gonna skip it, and your professional mode should be on, and your business account should be created like that. So you can head back to your profile, and you should be finding your profile being converted like this. So for now, that is how you basically convert your account into a business page, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.